In this video, I'm going to show you how to create cycle plot from this kind of data set. Now, in this data, we have 4 columns. The first column are the different product name we have. The second column in which year we sell our product. And the third and fourth column are the different location on which we want to compare the sale. Now, in your case, the year may be monthly sale or weekly sale data. And instead of location, maybe you want to compare to store or any other 2 KPI. Consider I have this raw data set. The first thing I will select all of my data set. Simply click on data, click from table/range, and I will simply hit OK. Now we have loaded our data in Power Query Editor. Here we need to do only one step. I will simply right click on product column and make a duplicate copy of this column. The next thing I will simply click close and load to, and here I will select pivot table report and simply hit OK. Now we have a blank pivot table on a new tab. The first thing I will simply move product into a rows field and years into a rows field below the product. And now I will simply move this product copy 1 to column. And the last thing I will move north cell and west cell on a values field. The next thing I will simply right click anywhere on this value, number format, and I will choose currency format with 0 decimal point and simply hit OK. I will do this for west cell as well. The next thing I will simply click on pivot chart. In this case, I will select line chart and simply hit OK. Now I will simply cut this chart. I will hit Ctrl X, create a new worksheet and simply hit Ctrl V to paste this chart. I will increase the width and height of the chart a little bit more. The next thing I will hide these button as well as legend. So I will simply click on legend, hit delete key, right click on this button, click hide all field button on chart. The next thing I will simply click format. On the very left side you can see a drop down menu, and now simply click series product 1 sum north. Right click on this series, format data series, click fill and line, scroll a little bit to the bottom side, and here I will select smooth line. Now for the color, I will choose a consistent color. So in this case, let's say I'm going to choose red fill color. And now I will simply choose product to north. And I will assign red fill color and make it smooth line. And I will do the same step for all of the product. Product 3 north, make smooth line and red fill color. Product 4 north, smooth line and red fill color. And now I will do the same step for product 1 west. In this case, I will choose the green fill color. And also I will simply check smooth line. And I will do the same step for all of the other series. The next thing, we need to add a vertical grid line so that we can easily read the chart. I will simply click on chart element, grid line, expand. And now simply insert primary major vertical grid line. Now I will simply close chart element, click on x-axis, right click, format x-axis, scroll a little bit to the bottom side, expand tick mark, and instead of 1 I will define 5. Since currently I have 5 year data available. Now in your case, if you have monthly data sheet, you just need define 12 here. The next thing, I will simply click on format again and I will simply select chart area or plot area. We need to define a bold line for this one, so I will choose this black line, and for the line width I will choose, let's say, 1 point. The next thing, I will click on this vertical grid line and also I will choose black color and 1 point thickness. And now I will again select plot area. And for the shape fill, I will use light gray color. Now our chart is almost ready, but these lines making a little bit confusing in horizontal x-axis. So I will simply select x-axis, and for the shape outline, I will simply select no outline. If you simply click on chart element and add chart title, and whatever title you want, you can simply define those. So this is all about how to create cycle plot with a very easy step. I hope you learned something useful from this video. If you have any specific question, just write me comment. And if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it now. Thank you so much.